Okay. Now just go to the reports in a QuickBooks file.
Okay.
Reports here below that.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Report under the custom report. Okay. Now click create new report on the right top.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on invoice.
Okay.
Click on got it. You are in which company? I think you are not in my company.
I opened my account actually.
Okay. No, मैंने भी अभी की कंपनी ओपन किया है just created that but I can see so many transaction. Okay, just from the last month click on it the filter and apply this year. Yeah, this year on top.
This year.
Uh, all date all you can see select all date, that's fine. Okay, now we have all this transaction. Now what is our task? Our task is to create a report which should have invoice amount more than 500.
In the last month.
Okay, now here you can see filter on the right top. We have recorded all the transaction in August month. So if you go with the last month, so that will not show more transaction or maybe zero transaction. Okay, so just now filter fill name.
Okay.
Below that you will see the amount. No, under the number, under the here in a number.
Here.
Yeah, under the drop down you can see value or amount.
Value.
Amount, or you can just type amount. Okay, here not equal to is greater than 499 because we have to consider 500 also. Okay.
Okay.
Now, and the thing is during the last month we haven't recorded any transaction, so we will select uh, till this date or all dates.
Okay.
Okay,
All days.
yeah, all dates. So we don't have any transaction amount is greater than 500. It should be there.
Let me check which account I have opened.
It is not showing amount on balance account. Are you looking for that document?
No, no, not for the documents. I'm looking for which account I am currently using.
Okay. I think we have recorded transaction in my account, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This one, US bookkeeping, right?
Yeah, US bookkeeping.
Which option I need to select? How to build a custom report or
Start by report creation wizard.
design? Okay.
Yeah. You can just type invoice. Okay. These are the transaction.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can apply filter.
Hmm.
You can keep that as it is. This here means this here we will have it.
I think here we have that more than 500.
Yes. When you go amount greater than 499, so we'll get transaction of. Okay. Click on save. So here we are getting transaction of. And yeah, instead of last month, please select over here uh,
Hmm.
this year. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have this transaction which are is equal to 500 or more 500.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now click on save on the right top. Yeah, by the giving the report name. It looks like you have done practice for this.
No.
Then go to that. मतलब पता चल चुका है सेव कहाँ पे फिल्टर कहाँ पे है. That's why. Okay. Now export custom data to a CSV file for all customer with balance over 100. Now we have to create another report.
Okay.
Custom report. Yeah, create a new report.
One I can delete,
No,
right?
we can create a new report.
Okay.
Yes, invoice. Or just a minute. What the task is? Export customer data to a CSV file. That is fine for all customer with the balance over 100. So let's check customer report if any available over there. Create a new report and sales. Okay. I think in invoice also you will get no minus sales this year with the customer balance. what we have to do? We have to do open balance should be all customer with balance over 100. Okay, so in a filter, open balance greater than or equal to 100 on the right side. Okay, here invoice. अब ये जो रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह सब हम जो बना रहे हैं, दिस कम्स टू आइदर टू द सीनियर अकाउंटेंट और टू द रिव्यूअर और टू टीएल, क्योंकि उन्हीं को ये सारी चीजें क्रिएट करनी होती हैं. Bookkeeper just has to record the transactions. Now go to the reports.
Okay, now here this year I will do.
Yeah, this year
I
and
will
apply
put
filter.
filters.
Okay. Uh, let's see, F1 date customer open balance. Open balance means outstanding balance. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Equal is equal to or greater than or equal to, yes, 100. Okay, so these are the invoices which are open and which have balance more than 100.
okay. So here we need to do export.
Yeah, just now you can save it. Yeah, export from from the export you can export to as a CSV or to Excel.
Okay,
Okay, these are the reports.
okay,
Now, 60 import customer data from CSV file to file for 50 new customers. Okay. Need to create 50 new
import.
customers. You know how to do it?
Some file we need to upload.
Yeah, we have
Some
to create.
import function is here. I see just now. Here,
Yeah,
import
import customers,
customers.
right? Okay, down here we have to upload CSV file of 50 customers. So we can download, what we can do, we can download as a sample. Download
Okay,
sample. Okay, so this is the demo file.
okay,
Now what we'll do, we'll import this as it is. Just save in a local drive as a CSV.
CSV all file type.
It's not a coming PSV option. No, just download it, and once we open it in a local drive, then we'll get the option to save as CSV.
Okay,
Okay. Now remove row number 12. Okay. Now F12. Okay. Now under save as type, we can have option
okay.
CSV.
CSV which one? MS
Uh,
DOS or this
no,
one?
comma.
Macintosh.
Just a
This
bit
one.
up. No, not there. Yeah, that will work. Not an issue.
This one, comma delimited.
No,
Or
just
this one.
yeah, this one.
Okay.
Just save it. द थिंग इज कि ये जो इंपोर्ट का ऑप्शन है, हाउ इट वर्क्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो इनके टाइटल है, फील्ड नेम, दिस इज कॉल्ड फील्ड नेम, नेम, कंपनी, कस्टमर टाइप, ईमेल, फोन नंबर, मोबाइल, फैक्स, वेबसाइट, ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड फील्ड नेम। तो जो डेटाबेस है
Okay.
क्विकबुक्स का, उनके डेटाबेस के अंदर भी सेम फील्ड नेम है। और जब हम इंपोर्ट करते हैं तो
Okay.
हमें मैपिंग का ऑप्शन मिलता है, और ये जो नाम है
Okay.
उसके नाम के सामने मैच होता है, फील्ड के सामने, तो उसके अंडर रो में जो भी वैल्यू होती है, दे जस्ट गेट इट। Okay, so let's
Okay. Mm-hmm.
import. Click on import in a QBO file. I think the next step.
This one. No. Yeah.
Okay, browse.
Okay. Just now we saved no 16.
Yeah. Now next. Okay, here you can see the mapping. QuickBooks
Okay.
online field name, name matching. Okay, if we would have different kind of field name, even though we can map them.
Okay.
Okay, just
Yeah.
next. ये सब आ चुके हैं. Now just import.
Okay.
9 of 9 customers successfully imported. Okay, now we have all these customers over here.
So, our existing customers will see these customers also, or
Uh,
any separate is there?
those are separate. Whatever we have imported, those are recorded as a new entries.
Okay.
Okay, those are as a new entries. And see, in this transaction, we got a big opening balance.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the opening balance which we have received into that. That's fine. Let it go. Not an issue. The main concern was
Okay.
how we can import this transaction, so it is work like that. Now merge duplicate customer record for Jen Smith. But we don't have any
Yeah.
duplicate transactions.
Yeah. Dupli- Duplicate records, what he's telling over here is based on the amount or based on the name?
Based on a name.
Name.
Okay.
But system is allowing us to enter this two times one person name.
No, what's happening? Sometimes, if we have recorded Jan Smith and another transaction, I mean another account with the same name, but there's a space between two space bar if we have entered
Okay.
between Jan and Smith. So name is same, pronunciation is same, but uh, accounts are two. Or we can let's take an example. We have created another account with Jan space Smith, and we have added full stop.
Okay.
Okay, so this kind of multiple accounts can be there. So we have to merge them. And now how we can merge them? We have to create with the same name, same space for the another account also. Whatever we have select Jen space Smith, and if we do the same for another account, so both account gonna merge. Let me show you.
Okay.
You can what you can do. See ABC Corporation. Is it active account or inactive account? Can you please open it? ABC Corp. Yeah, is that active account or inactive account?
Active.
Can you please click on it because we have. I think we did we make. inactive. Okay, now see, this is the active account. Okay,
But
uh,
transaction is voided.
yeah, transaction is good. Okay,
Account is again.
now click on clear list here. We want to see all the customers' name over here.
Okay.
Click on customers. Now click any, just click on any customers.
Okay.
Okay, now do one thing. Just ABC CORP. Edit this transaction Aaron. Go to the edit. Not this one. Go not to ABC. We are going to edit test Aaron.
Okay. This one.
Yeah, edit
I did.
ABC call.
Here first name I will
Yeah,
change
your
or
first
the
name. Your first name. We have to write in a same format.
ABC.
Yeah, you can remove that and then CRP. Okay, now click on save. The name is already being, would you like to merge to, if you click yes, then we will have one account. Click on it, yes. Now just refresh the window. You can see R1 is deleted and ABC Corporation we have here. Please refresh the window. Okay.
One second.
Okay. Now see, you can
Yeah.
ABC Corporation got opening balance of R1.
Yes.
So this is the way of merge. Either it is this is applied to in a customer center. This is the same thing applied in a vendor center, and the same thing is applied in a chart of accounts also. If you are
Okay.
using the same name, same GL name, so two GL account gonna merge in a chart of account also. Okay, so this is the simple way of
Okay.
merging accounts. Now let's go with the another. Identify and select inactive customer older than 2 years. Use the this is not required for now, so we can restore archive customer record for ABC Corporation. There is also a set up customer portal access to join the customer portal access. This is a third party tool which we can use in a integration with the QuickBooks, where we can assign access of their account to the customers. Like the kind of CRM, customer relationship management software, we can integrate with our QuickBooks software. Okay, so that
Okay.
rights we need to assign to John Doe, but we are not going to do that because we don't have that application in our system.
Okay.
And again, manage customer portal permission for Jan Smith, the same thing. Third party tool.
No, here if we need to assign, like in which option we need to go and assign that part?
Okay, yeah. So for that we have to add application at the left bottom. You can see apps. I guess you will not get that option because you are working as a user. So I'll have it. I'll have
Okay.
that option.
Okay. Okay. In that application, then
Uh, Under your practice, there is a fifth number option. Okay, you are getting only four options. Under
yeah,
your practice, you are getting only three options.
three
Client,
options. Yeah.
providers, and work. Because you are using my QBO access. Apart from that, there are two more options: apps
Okay.
and this one. There was
Okay, in under apps it will come.
yeah, under app that will come. Now, restore set up customer portal access to the manage customer portal permission. These are all related to this one customer portal.
Hmm.
Track the status of support tickets showing 500 tickets. So this is also not record customer subscription for 20 monthly newsletter. Now these are very simple. The 79th number record customer subscription for 20 monthly newsletter. So this is the part of recurring transaction. I hope you know how to make it. Can you please make it?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, please. 79th number. You can select any customer. Another service is you can create new GL.
Here. Item type will be service.
Yeah.
The name I selected
Yes.
newsletter.
And for
Income
the
account is service.
income
It's
account under
fine.
the you can create new account over here newsletter.
Under service?
Not under the service, under the sales. Okay,
Okay, okay, 1 second.
because we can see in a P&L with the separate line item. Yeah, just you write here newsletter. Yeah, newsletter. You can type here, and this will be added as a new GL.
Okay.
Right. We have to create recurring invoice.
It's fine. No?
Yeah, just save template. That's great. Cool. Track subscription renewal showing 95% renewal rate. This is not required. We generate subsidy invoice for 24,800 customers. We we have to create 100 invoice of $20 for.
for 100 customers.
So how are we gonna do this?
Means first we can create one invoice, and based on that invoice we need to create the duplicate invoice option we can use.
Or you can use bulk invoice option also.
Okay.
When you go to the sales and the customers, and then new transaction or invoices, you can create multiple invoices. Also, you have option to import invoices.
Yeah, we can upload the batch also.
Yeah, so you can upload that. Here, in this section, rather than import invoice, you can go with multiple batch, multiple
Okay.
invoice. Sorry. Okay, yeah, invoices. When you click, so here you just need to fill up the data.
Mm-hmm.
Customer name, email address, CC, or what are time terms, and when you just click on it, so the entire invoices get posted into the system. See, here it is showing action. The action means create. If you like to do that, you can do it. Let's do it for 3 to 4 customers. At least we'll get idea.
Yeah.
In this software, you can create a new account from anywhere during the transaction also. Either it is stocks
Okay.
or GL or customer account or vendor account.
Save and send.
Yeah, save and send or save and close.
Okay.
Product or services name, did you select that? I think it is not.
No, no, no. Subscription invoice.
invoice date.
So here we can choose different dates also.
Yeah, you can. Please select different date. Yeah. Okay, and accordingly, 15 days they select. Yeah, you can also record future transactions. Accordingly, they select their due dates as per the
Okay.
payment terms. Something like you miss email or you are trying to send invoice. Okay, so just click on save and just click on save rather than send.
Okay.
The email ID is not written proper. Okay, so 3 out of 3 invoices are recorded.
Okay.
Now, as per the 82 invoice, we have to cancel that subscription for the Jane Smith.
Okay.
We haven't recorded that transaction that is available under subscription. I mean, in a recurring transaction. Okay, so you can see just go a bit up, a little bit up. You can see view recurring template.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, okay. So we have to just avoid it. This is a recurring template of $20. Okay. Not below that, below that. Oh, Jane Smith. Yeah. Okay. For the Jane Smith, just void it. Delete or void. You can delete also.
Okay.
Uh, record project details for final consulting project for John Doe. Use a project management tool to record project details. We don't have project tools in our system as of now. Where
Okay.
it is ongoing or progressing invoices are there. So in that way, projects we can create over there. Let me check the options if they are allowing in our this section. John Doe. No, we don't have that option. So here we can add kind of estimate, nothing else. Project option is not available in our module.
Okay.
You can create estimate. Yeah, you got all the, I mean, options. You know where everything is now. That's really good to know. You know about recurring invoice also. Now you are getting an estimate where it is. So that's really good. That's the
So
difference
here.
कि एमकॉम के स्टूडेंट को के साथ बात करो उनको समझाओ और सीए के साथ बात करो उनको समझाओ. That's the difference.
तो इधर हमें कंसल्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट
Yeah, we can just select the consulting services
Okay.
for the 500.
500.
Please exclude that tax.
Okay.
Okay, just close it, save and close. The task is there is no milestone. What we can do, we can just generate project invoice with each for the completed milestone. Generate project invoice of 100 each for completed milestone. Okay, so now what we can do, using that estimate, we can create invoice, and we need to create 5
Okay.
invoices, 100 of each.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you go to journal and create a new invoice, so you will see the option. First of all, we have to accept that estimate.
Okay.
Now a little bit problem over here. You have selected one quantity, right?
Yes, we should
Okay.
select. We should make 5 quantities
Yes,
and
right.
one by one.
Yeah. So can you please go back to the estimate, edit it?
Okay. Pending.
Yeah, pending. Make it 5 quantity and 100 of each. Oh, here we can add 5 quantity
Okay.
in the
Okay.
same line item.
Mm-hmm.
Save and close.
So one by one, we need to make 5 separate. Separate.
Oh, yeah, separate invoice we have to create.
So first we'll go with one because this is a invoice number 1024. So we'll save this one.
Yeah, save
Then we
this
can create
a new one.
duplicates.
Or rather than duplicate, we have to go with the estimate.
Okay. Estimate now everything is converted to accepted, na?
Yeah, so we can use a duplicate also. That's not an issue.
Okay. Because now that is showing as marked as closed. 2 I have created. So
Okay.
do you want me to come like make further or it's fine? 2 are fine.
Okay. Yeah, fine. So let's see any other task for that. Uh,
Okay.
Track project expert 200 for joining consulting project.
Project expense is something else is there?
Uh, it is a particular expense related to this customer. So we have to go to the transactions and then from the
Okay.
expense, not from here, on a new.
Here invoices,
No, no, not near under the invoice. This is our actual expense, which is below to
expense.
our
Okay.
customer. Yeah, from there, expense. Because there's a kind of consulting expense. We need to see, select category. Without it, it will not record it.
Okay.
Yeah. All these are P&L, GL. You have selected income account.
Okay.
Okay. We have to select expense account. Please write it down, consulting expense. If it is not, then we will create it.
It is not there, I think.
That's why we can create it. Yeah. Consulting expense, we can create. Legal and professional services. Yeah.
Amount is
We need
no
to
need to
select.
do any.
Yeah, we need to select customer name.
Okay, it is for John.
Just a minute. Right. Project expense of 200. Make here billable.
Here pay will be different, right?
Yeah, to the different. So you can create any other vendor name. Check your account detail before you. Okay. Payment account. Payment account. A bit up. This is the payment account.
Okay. Okay.
You have to select bank account. Checking
Oh,
account. Okay. Yeah. And make this billable so we can track it. Okay. You just say it. Fine. Not an issue. Now go here.
okay.
On the
If
right
we are
top.
doing billable means what is the meaning?
I'll show you that in a practical manner. Just go on a right top and
Okay.
fourth number option. There is a search option.
Here.
Okay,
Okay.
click on it. Now you can see here the latest transaction, that 200.
Okay.
Click
Okay.
on it. Okay, so in case if you record any transaction and you don't know the amount, so you can just go over there and you can find that first transaction.
Okay. Okay. Result will come over there.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Then it will
Uh,
be chargeable to customer whenever
yes,
we are
right.
opening the
Hmm.
joint account. Okay.
Okay, now go to the customer center.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. Now we need to go to the customer center under the John Doe. We are going to
Okay.
raise the invoice for this $200. So how it looks like, you can see it. Not here. Close the transaction.
Okay.
Now go to the customer and John Doe. Now click on new invoice.
New transaction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now here you can see the billable expense on the right bottom, right?
Add.
Yeah, just hit on add. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have everything over here. You just need to save and close. We do not need to worry about the GL or amount or anything. This is just billable.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the
Okay.
thing.
Okay. Unless we are not saving here or marking here, it will
Yeah,
not reflect under John Doe account.
yeah, that will not reflect over here. In that case we have to do that is by manual. So just to save,
Okay.
if in a construction site, if there are multiple expenses are being occurred for the particular projects, so in that way, system are using billable services in this. So whatever expense we
Okay.
made, we just tick mark as a billable and assign that customer name. So whenever we create
Okay.
invoice for the customer, we get all the relevant transaction belongs to them, and with this them
Okay.
single invoice.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the usage of billable.
Okay.
Record 500 inventory order for John Doe. Now go to purchase order. See, this is purchase order. This is not sales order. Okay. So what we
Yeah.
have to do, we have to go to the vendor center. Yeah, this is a vendor and the purchase order. Okay. Now here you can select any vendor name or create any vendor name.
Means here he consider John Doe as a customer and vendor both
No, no, no.
in the transaction.
We are going to place a purchase order for John Doe, which we are going to sell them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So here you can select, yeah, hyperlink, that's fine. Select shift to select customer for address. Just go up in that window. See, here you can select John Doe. Okay, so what will happen? We are purchasing for John Doe from Hyperzone.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now here you can add
Purchases.
any inventory item or GL item. If you like to add any inventory item, so you have to go under item details. And if you are going to assign any GL of startup account, so you can assign from categories. Yeah, inventory you can select directly.
But it is like.
Inventory order of 500.
But this is a current asset, no?
Yeah, so you can come a bit down in the item details. Not there are two
Here.
options. Yeah, below that. Yeah, below that, a bit below item details.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Here you can see product and services list. Means item center, you can see over here. And when you go about that category details, over there you can see only chart of accounts GL. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so we are going to hit here under
Okay.
the either you can assign in a category details, so that is fine. Or if you like to go with item details, so that is fine too. If we are aware about the particular product, then we have to go
Hmm.
item details.
But here we are referring as a services, no? So how we
No,
can mention under
from
inventory
here,
services?
from the drop down, you can select any other one also. Product and
Here.
services, yeah, from here, you can create or add a new one also. You can create any name. If you are creating any category of product like a stapler, so that pertains to a stationary item, so that could be the part of subcategory of staplers. So here you can create a stationery.
Parent account will be stationary.
No, but you have to give, first of all, you have to give the category name. What should be that category? You have to create category name first. Only after, this is a kind of GL and sub GL.
Okay.
Okay, so you have no need to assign a subcategory. That is fine. Okay, now staplers become product of stationery category.
Okay.
Okay, save and close. Here we can add an image also of particular product. It's a manufacturing company, so if they would like to add parts or anything, they can do it.
Okay. That we need to show.
Right. Just a minute, we have to assign customer name over here.
Okay.
On a search, right top, you can have it. Yeah. Below the recent transaction, yeah, purchase order.
This.
At the bottom, here you can assign join the, and below that also, in a line item, customer. Okay, just close.
Here, what is the meaning of closed?
When you click, see here you can manage the inventory, how much you have received and everything. This is just a purchase order. When you record bill against this purchase order, and here you have mentioned 50 quantity. Okay, you are getting bill of 10 units, and when you uh, assign that 10 units against to this invoice, so over here, this will here in a receipt that will show 10. You get my point? The
No.
received quantity will go after this purchase order with that transaction. So we'll see here. As of now, we are placing order for 50 units, and if we are
Okay.
getting 10 units against this order, so we will show here. We will see here 10 units as a received quantity.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so just close it, and we will see that again. Okay, now go to the that vendor hyperzone. Under the expense, we will have it expense and vendors. Expense and or contractor. Yeah, miss vendors.
Okay.
Under the, okay, please open it. Hyperzone. Okay, now go here, new transaction, bill. Okay, now here you can see the purchase order. Next to it.
Okay.
So
And
not this one. This is
this
the
one,
yeah,
500.
right, this one. Okay, and remove the first line item.
This one.
Yeah, and instead of 50 quantity, just make it 20. Okay,
Okay.
now just click on save. Now close this transaction and open that purchase order. This one. Yeah, please open it. Click on it. Okay, you can see 20 units have to
Received.
receive.
Okay.
Got it? So these are the things.
Yeah.
As soon as we receive 50 units, this will show as a close.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the things.
Okay.
Now 88, track the delivery status of 500 inventory or the delivery status. We can't track it because we don't have third party shipping model integrated in our QBO.
Okay.
Okay, actually QBO has a facility like a USPS or a UPS. They can integrate with QBO and then delivery system when they ship the product, they update that status on a USPS and we can see the live status in our QBO software using third party application. That
Okay.
integration also available over here. Okay, and now record or return of $50 of inventory from Jen Smith. Record or return of 50 of inventory from Jen Smith. Okay, now we have to raise the credit memo for the Jen Smith. Jen Smith, it is available under sales. He is not customer. He is not a vendor. Jen Smith is a
Okay. Okay.
customer. Credit memo of $50.
Inventory is saying.
Uh, you can select anyone because it's just the name of inventory is not mentioned
Okay.
over here over there. It is just saying inventory.
Okay.
Yeah, just exclude that text. Save. Generate delivery receipt of 200 order for John Doe. Delivery receipt means sales receipt or delivery chalon or something like we can create over here. Statement invoice. Under the invoice, checks me for the delivery. What the task is? Uh,
Delivery receipt.
Generate a delivery receipt for 200 for order joined by. From the invoice, we have an option
Okay.
to create delivery also. We can print a delivery receipt.
Where it is?
It is just actually when I set up this entire account, I didn't set that inventory module. But see, when you go to any invoice on the right side, you can see when you click on those options on the right side,
Hmm.
go to the Jen Smith. Let me show you that.
Yeah.
Okay, now click this option on the right side, edit and send. Then 490. No, no, not below that, below that, below that.
Yes, sir.
Edit and okay, yeah. Against the invoice. For the drop down it, more options. No, white window. Here you can see print packing slip.
Okay.
Okay, so delivery slip we can print out from here. This is the packing slip. Okay, the particular customer we can create from invoice also, packing slips and everything.
Okay.
We have to record 25 4 transactions of $25 of each.
No, this one is there. No? 91 number. Delivery status.
Track the delivery status showing delivered to John Doe. That's why it's just a packing slip. So, and we haven't
Okay.
implemented in our system the delivery module.
Okay.
The delivery module is not over here, so that's why we can't track it.
Okay.
92 paid billing schedule for 200 annual service project. Okay, now we got deferred revenue. 92 number transaction. Create a billing.
94 transaction. This
Yeah,
one.
no, no, no. 92 number transaction. $1,200 transaction.
92. Okay. Okay.
Annual
Okay.
service.
Annual service.
Okay, that is already create a billing schedule for 1,200 annual services. We are going to consider this transaction as a deferred revenue. Okay, where we have to mention the service start date also.
Okay.
I got tired.
Create a billing schedule for.
Neha got tired.
Ji. No, no, we'll finish till 100, no?
Okay. 92 number transaction. We have to create a 1200 as a
So we'll
deferred
go
revenue.
here.
Create invoice. Invoice, not invoice there. See, when customer so invoice, vendor so bill.
Bill.
Okay.
So recurring invoice we need to create.
No, no, this is not recurring invoice. This is not recurring invoice. This is deferred revenue invoice.
Okay.
You need to go with cancel. Just click on cancel on the left bottom. Okay, now this is a regular transaction. Now here in a service date, we have to mention service date.
Okay. If you are starting 16,
Yes, right. The starting date. And here you can
16
select the
subscription.
services which we have created as a recurring transaction or as a deferred revenue for part. Yes. Okay. Now here you can change the amount. It is 1200. Okay. Now just save and close. Okay. You can't see that transaction as in a P&L. So that is not posted yet. By the end of this month, by 31st August, the transaction of $100 will be posted from deferred revenue to P&L part as an income.
Okay.
What's the next transaction?
1 minute. I want to see this transaction.
Okay, you want to see the that transaction. Okay,
Means uh,
a deferred revenue schedule you want to see. Click on it. More action. Mm, okay, it is not showing over here. Or this will be showing in a deferred revenue. Let me plan. Under the Jan Smith we have recorded, right?
yes.
Yes, invite is not coming here. Actually, that should be coming. What's the amount of the transaction? 1200 ना?
हाँ 1200 वाली सिलेक्ट किया था ये.
Yes. Repo. Please open reports and balance sheet, and under that deferred revenue
Okay.
reports, and here you can search find report by name on our right top. Yeah, balance sheet. Okay, here you can see the deferred revenue 6,000. Yeah, please click on it. You need to change the date. It is showing up to 7/31 only. So click on it and make it 8/16. Okay, now you can see the transaction of 1200 over here.
Okay.
It is not recorded in a P&L, but yeah, on 31st of August, $100
Yeah.
getting debited from this account and will be credited to the sales revenue. And this is revenue recognized.
Did we selected 12 months something?
Yeah, we have selected 12 months and actually
Hmm.
the product which I have created,
Hmm.
I have set that
Yeah.
as a deferred product, deferred revenue product, and I have set
Yeah, yeah.
12
I
months into that.
seen.
Yeah, see, you can see here
Hmm.
7200
Yeah.
and 600 is recognized by 731.
Hmm.
Okay, and we do not need to worry about this transaction. This is gonna be taken care by QuickBooks itself.
Okay, like when we are creating this web hosting account under this deferred revenue,
Hmm.
that time this 12 months that is mentioned over there.
Yeah, that is mentioned over there. We have to set that
Okay,
over.
okay.
And
We will just select the service starting date, then automatically the system will calculate for rest of the
yes,
months.
right.
Okay, okay.
When we create a product, we what always we aware about is it what kind of product it is. So accordingly, we can set it.
So here, if we are going, what is that? It is charts of accounts,
Hmm.
transaction, charts of accounts. If you want to see for hosting, this one.
If you want to see, then go to the new, then product and services. You will
Mm-hmm.
see the click on new left top.
Okay. Here I need to select.
No, 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 no.
Hmm.
Please close this. If you would like to add a new
Okay.
one, then we can do it. Please create it. Let's create a new one.
Okay.
But here you are creating. This is chart of account. It's not a part of
Yeah.
chart of account. You can set this in a product and services.
The product and services.
Okay, so please click on a new left top,
Hmm.
not right top, left top.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, so here you can see at the right bottom, add product and services, the last option under the authors.
Okay. Hmm.
Now click on new
Okay.
services. Yeah, services you can select and just scroll down the mouse
Hmm.
a bit more. Now see here you can see that revenue recognition.
Monthly.
I
Yeah.
recognize revenue for this product monthly.
Hmm.
Okay, so when you click on it, so you can see the entire thing, like for how many days it is going to be done. Okay, and I have on this option under the settings, company settings, revenue recognition. That is the reason they are giving us the option to mention service date. This one, revenue recognition, I have kept this on. Yes, this one. I keep this on. That is the reason we can see that a service date option in our invoice when we select particular product. When we select that option, like we recognize revenue for this product on a monthly basis, only
Hmm.
for that particular product we have to mention service date. If we are not going to add that date, so the transaction is not going to be saved. That will give error to us.
Okay. But
What
I
we
was thinking for this one, no, 12 months from where it came, like how system came to know. Like I should
okay,
means split this amount
please
into the
close this
12
one.
months.
Please close this one. Click on new
Yeah.
service.
Okay.
It's not coming.
One item doesn't have initial cost.
Yeah, that one which you have created, but we haven't add that amount. If you remember, click on it, you will realize what is that. Click on add new.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
add now.
add
Okay.
now. Add initial cost. The stapler. Yeah, you did add that. That was a 10, I guess, right? 50 units and 10. Yeah, so you can add 10. Finalize. Now you can
Okay.
close this.
Go back.
Save. Okay, now create a new product, a new service.
These options are only coming.
All these are our services.
Okay.
You can open this web hosting which says 7200. You can click on edit. Now,
Yeah, correct. It is here.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Duration mentioned. You mentioned it.
So when we assign that in a cells, as you know, when we create a particular product or services, we are getting sales module also and purchase module also. Like which account we are going to assign when we make a sales for the product, and which account gonna be assigned when we purchase this product. So over there we can assign this. Click on edit.
Okay.
Click on edit. Let's go.
Here, price also you assigned before.
Yeah, I have set the price also. Click on edit. Let's go in depth.
Okay.
Now see. Just a minute. Just go up a bit up. Click on basic info. Make it minimize. Basic info. Make it minimize. We'll go in detail about this.
I
Oh
will
no, no,
close
no,
this.
not then. Just a bit up. Click on basic info.
Okay.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
on a text, the basic info text. You can just click
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Click on.
Okay.
Now click on
Okay.
cells.
Okay.
Okay, and minimize this one also. Okay, so when we create product, we got three options to
Okay.
enter basic info, and if we are going to sell this product, which revenue account we need to assign.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
these is the things. And here, see, I have mentioned price. Also, I have mentioned, you forgot one thing. Please click on sales. Okay, so here I have mentioned 7200. It is part of services. Now just a bit scroll down. Here I have mentioned service duration. It's a 12 months.
Yeah.
Okay, and which liability account should I have to hit? That should be deferred revenue. Okay, now
Okay.
for the purchase cost, I'm gonna assign 3600. So in this way, I
Okay.
can get profit ratio also on a base of product.
Product.
I'm
Yeah.
going to buy in a 3600 and going to sell at 7200. So this
Okay.
is a
Okay.
setup for the particular deferred revenue product or service product which for which we are going to assign as a deferred revenue. So these are the things.
Okay.
Is that clear
Okay. Okay.
now?
Yeah. Yeah. It's clear now.
Okay, so that was the main thing which you understand properly. That's great now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. No.
So now 96. Sorry, second for joint oil. We were on 94. Now very simple transaction. Set 100 payment plan for Jen Smith.
Okay.
$25. Four transaction of each $25.
Payment plan means first we'll create the invoice for 100,
Yeah,
like
and
that.
just apply for transaction of $25 per transaction. That's a very simple. That's not that much.
Okay.
Okay. Then track payment plan allowances. So in James Smith has made 3 or 4 payments. That's a simple. Then okay, because before they are saying just assign 4 transactions, now saying they have made only 3. That's the basic.
3. Hmm.
Now so 96 record of 500 service agreement for annual maintenance for joint lawyer. Photo invoice for the annual maintenance service agreement. Now again, this is the
That
part of
is
deferred
same.
revenue.
Hmm.
Annual
Hmm.
maintenance, right?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
have to create one product with the name of
Hmm.
annual maintenance, and you have to
Hmm.
recognize. You have to click that on recognize the revenue and assign 12
Hmm.
months, just we have done for the website. Okay, and accordingly you have to record these transactions and generate find a join DOI.
Can we do this one? 96 number.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, please. You need to create a new product and services, name annual maintenance contract.
We need to go here.
Yeah, you already there. You just click on new. Yeah, basic info. Enter
Okay.
annual
Okay.
maintenance contract.
Category name means annual maintenance for which item we are going to
Yeah, category
do.
means the product which we can define as what we can call them. Just for the staplers, you said it's part of stationery category,
Inventory.
right?
Okay.
And annual maintenance, this could be for the air conditioner also. Okay, now here you can assign 12 months and
Okay. Now 6 months we'll keep.
yeah, okay, fine.
Hmm. The vendor. Compressors. Guys, okay.
What's your selling price? It's just 500 and we are purchasing a 3600. Isn't it odd?
How much is the maintenance? 500. Should I reduce it a little?
Yeah, that would be remove one zero.
Yeah. But we should not mention air compressors, no?
Yeah, that's
But I
fine.
mentioned.
The name is not that much. Like suit nahi ho raha hai. Yeah, we can say in a dollar,
Uh,
so that's fine. $80, so okay, that's fine. We can consider it. Yeah.
or fan, we can mention it.
Okay.
Mm.
Now save and close. Okay, yes, so fine. Now we have
Okay.
created one product which is related to deferred revenue and a kind of annual maintenance contract. Okay, now you go to the customer center and create one invoice.
500 job.
Yeah, service date. Yes, that one. If you would mention over there sell price, did you mention that? I think you didn't. If you would mention that, so that should be
Automatically.
automatically. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Now please exclude that text. Okay, yeah, just save and close. So this is your deferred revenue transaction.
Okay. Record a $200 training session provided to Jen Smith. This is a
Yeah,
normal invoice, right?
yeah, normal invoice.
Mm-hmm. Then
Track
track
attendance
attendance for
for
the
training
training
session
session.
showing 10
Showing
of
10 out of
mandatory. It's
10.
a part of payroll, so this is not a part of customer center. So don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
So this
okay.
is the practice, the entire practice of customer center. So what we have learned
Okay.
into this, how to create product, simple product, how to create deferred revenue product, which I mean for the website maintenance or annual maintenance contract or any kind of AMC for the
Mm-hmm.
for the particular services which we are going to provide in next coming month, but we are getting payment in advance. So these are the transactions. And so we
Okay.
learn how to create product, how to create customer, how to merge customer, how to void customer, how to delete customer, how to
Hmm.
create purchase order, how to create sales order, how to accept them, how to record the transaction, how to accept the payment, how to create credit notes, how to apply credit notes against the invoices, and how to apply partial payment, how to rectify the partial payments, and how to record the bounce check, and how to assign that received payment against that journal entries of bounce check. So this kind of
Yeah.
transaction which we are getting, our routine practice when we work for the any client for any US clients. Okay, so this is
Okay.
our
Yeah.
customer center practice. So now, Neha, what kind of questions do you have in this? You can either email me or you can ask me. I hope we have covered all the transaction related to customers.
Yeah. I want to ask same way we will go for the vendor transactions also.
Yes, right.
Same way.
Yes, same way.
Okay. Other than that, what is covered in this course?
After
Means
this,
AP we will do,
yeah,
AR we done.
yeah.
Then
After this, we will have 350 transactions, which cover
okay.
customer center, vendor center, products, and month-end adjustment entries, payrolls,
Okay.
then deferred
Okay.
revenue, prepaid, accruals. All the entries are there. So once we are done with
Okay.
vendor center in our one or two session, I think it will take two session max to max because your concept is clear about the software. Okay, so now for the vendor center, it will take a max to max couple of session. After that, we will
Okay.
go with the finalization. I mean, final entries. Those are
Okay.
350 entries, and after that, we will go with the review of books. And
Okay.
after that, you will be cleared about all the things. And today, I have seen your grasping, like I say, the progress in your way, because in last session you were not aware about where is new, how to initiate the transaction, how to record the transaction, or how to find the payments. But today, you did amazing. Like everything you know where it is and where to apply and everything. Okay, so just the same way which we did for the customers, like for the payment apply or credit applied or payment returns or where we have recorded that transaction. So the same way we have to go with the vendors also.
Okay.
Okay, just as a deferred revenue over there we will get prepaid expense. It's a reversal of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so do you have a vendor center transaction or not?
Now, I think
Yeah.
it is finished, no?
Yeah. Do you have that related transaction?
No, no, vendor side I don't have.
Okay, you have only customer center, right?
Customers, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's a same kind of. I'll share that document later today or maybe tomorrow.
Hmm.
Okay, for the vendor centers, most of the related transaction or correlated transaction, so you will easily recognize. But yes, when we go with that 350 transactions, then that would be a bit trouble. Not the trouble, but it's a more practical transactions.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, and I'll share.
350 transaction consists of rest of the course, right? Or it is for the vendors only?
Yeah, by the next couple of session related to vendor center only.
Okay.
And after that, we
Okay.
will go with the 350 transaction, which covers deferred revenue and accruals and prepaids and vendor payments and credit notes and debit notes and check returns and bank reconciliation and bank deposits, undeposited funds, depreciation for the particular product, intangible products, all the things will be there. So that would be the
Okay.
final
Okay.
stage. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so I'll send you what I'll do. I'll maybe tomorrow I'll send you that 100 transaction of vendor center and 350 transaction of our routine practice. So you can go through with them. So
Okay.
whenever we start the work, you can do all the things very easily.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
What about tomorrow class?
Yeah, we
I
can.
am available for next 2 days.
Yeah, so we can do it by 7. That's fine.
7 is fine. Or we
Yeah.
can do before.
Uh,
Daytime.
I'm available after 2 p.m. I'm available.
Okay. Then we'll fix at 2.
Two. Yeah, that's fine then.
2 or 3, whatever suits
Yeah,
you.
just drop me a message and we'll go through with that.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so
Before
much.
that, you just
Yeah.
share that PDF, no?
Yeah,
So
before
if
that,
I want to see, I can see. Yeah.
maybe most probably today itself, I'll share that PDF.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
if
it's
it
fine.
is not today, then tomorrow before the class, you will have it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Mishi.
Okay,
Thanks.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.